Here we have the Piab ECU-15 FM control unit, where we enabled a new feature for scheduled maintenance. I will show the HMI functions of the real-time filter monitoring system. In the filter settings view, filters can be created, changed, and removed. Here, multiple filters can be created, allowing monitoring of different filters. When multiple filters are used, for instance, when swapping filter during cleaning or to prevent cross-contamination when conveying of different materials. For each filter, an identifying name of the filter can be set, and the filter type and size defined. Also, the filter monitoring function baseline value and the warning level value is shown. The filter baseline is automatically set by the filter monitoring function. When a new filter is installed, the function monitors the conveying operation. It analyzes the data gathered and then, based upon this, sets the baseline value. This ensures that the filter monitoring function adapts to each Piab vacuum conveyor with, for instance, differences in the vacuum pump capacity, the conveyor batch volume, the materials being conveyed, and the geometry and length of the conveying pipeline. Once set, the baseline value represents the filter pressure drop for a new filter for the Piab conveyor. The other main filter monitoring parameter is the filter warning level. This parameter is by default preset to 5 kPa. Its purpose is to adjust when the filter monitoring function starts to warn that the filter needs attention. The function is that once the filter pressure drop has increased to baseline plus filter warning value, the filter needs to be cleaned or exchanged with a new one. By adjusting the filter warning level, the filter monitoring function can be tailored to a particular application, i.e., ensuring that if warns before the reduced conveyor capacity caused by the clogged filter starts affecting the process that the conveyor is part of. In the bottom right corner, you find filter icon. This icon changes color based on the filter status. During initial setup, until the baseline is determined, the icon has a black color. Once the baseline is determined, the icon changes color to green, meaning that everything is fine, the filter works as it should. When the pressure drop has increased to 80% of the specified filter warning level, the icon turns yellow. This to provide a heads up for that it is time to plan cleaning or replacement of the filter. Once the pressure drop has increased to the filter warning level, the icon turns red. By clicking on the filter icon, the operator can view filter data, such as the filter pressure drop during the previous conveying cycles and other statistics. This view also allows changing a previously created filters via the filter settings menu. To learn more about the filter monitoring feature, contact your local Piab representative.